YouTube, what's happening with y'all, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green. Hey man, hey. Y'all can see the look on my face, the smile, the excitement. Your boy is excited, your boy is happy to do this unboxing with y'all because I just knew. I was not gonna get these shoes. I just knew I wasn't gonna get anything out the pack. But shooters keep shooting, baby. And like my boy said, I'd rather go 0 for 30 than go 0 for 9 because 0 for 9 means you just psyched yourself out the game. But anyway, before we get to the unboxing, man, hey, I appreciate all the new people over here. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy, man. The new goal is 3K. Hey, bruh, it goes without saying, I love you guys. I appreciate all you guys for coming through and rocking with the country boy, the friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Now y'all see my shirt, y'all see the Kobe magazine, y'all already know it. Huge Kobe fan. Kobe was my favorite NBA player of all time. I like Allen Iverson, T-Mac, Vince Carter, who else? Anybody I grew up with in that 90s era, that early, you know, I'm gonna say the mid 90s to now. Like, y'all know I'm just a huge basketball fan. Grew up watching Michael Jordan and so on and so on. But Kobe is my favorite basketball player of all time. Just the pure mental mindset of I'm just gonna kill everybody, from his footwork to, bruh, making the most difficult shots you've ever seen. That's why I got him ahead of LeBron. You know, to me, bigger, stronger, faster don't always mean better. That's no knock on LeBron. I just got him, you know, I got LeBron below Kobe, but hey, LeBron top 5. I don't know what Paul Pierce talking about. But anyway, I ain't gonna bore y'all with the basketball stories. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Woo, woo, woo. We got them things. Shout out to Nike, man. Hey, I told y'all we was gonna beat the resellers and we was gonna beat the bots. Now, I didn't hit on the undefeated pack today. I didn't get my email, but hey man, it is what it is. I'm just glad I got one out of that thing. That's all that matters to me. Hopefully I can hit on the EYBL, the girls pair, this Saturday, and those releasing in men, so hopefully I can hit on that. But let's get that thing started, man. Kobe V Protro, court purple, black, size 12. We in that thing. Oh man. And just to let y'all know, this was my favorite one out the pack. I wanted the big stage, I wanted all of them, but this one right here was my favorite one just because of the Lakers colorway. With the Kobe logo and the Kobe signature. Woo! Ooh-wee. Hey, these things are beautiful. They're prettiful. Ooh, these joints right here, cold, boy. Ooh, they cold. Ooh, y'all see that? With the so icy, so, ooh, God almighty. Hey, bro, let's go ahead and get into it, man. All right, so we got the Kobe V Protro, 5-time champ. Y'all know my boy won 5 championships, man. Hey, 5-time champion. He had a 3-peat and a repeat. Hey, bro. Hey, how can you not be the GOAT? How can you not be the GOAT, man? And ain't nobody 3-peated since you and Shaq. Come, man, stop playing with me, man. Come on, y'all gotta stop playing with my boy, man. Put some respect on my boy name. R.I.P. my GOAT. We already know MJ the GOAT, but Kobe is my GOAT. I got a number 2 behind MJ, man. But nah, man. Hey, bruh, this sneaker right here is gorgeous. It's prettiful, man. Hey, Nike, y'all did y'all thing. Bruh, like I said, this was the one that I wanted the most, simply because it was a Lakers colorway. And bruh, woo, man, the details on this sneaker, Lord. Now, getting into the toe panel, I don't know if y'all can see that line, the lines on the camera, but getting into the toe panel, man, we got those textured lines. And dog, those textured lines is supposed to be like the concrete in LA, you know. We got concrete in LA with the whole, I'm tough, I'm rugged. Oh my God, bruh. And it's also on the mid panel a little bit too. I don't know if y'all can see that on the medial side. It's on the mid panel. So y'all see that textured line, those textured lines on the toe box. And on that mid panel, y'all see that? Bruh, this joint is dope. All right, now this sneaker was inspired by the 2001-2002 championship, the leather jacket Kobe wore with all the teams and everything on it, man. I'm gonna put a picture up so y'all can see that. Bruh, I wish I had that jacket. Y'all, matter of fact, I'm wearing the, you know, y'all see it, my boy got the shirt on, the jacket on right now, it's on my shirt. But dog, hopefully I can find the jacket somewhere. I know it's probably going for like $1 million right now, but I don't know, man. Y'all see that 5-time? Yeah, bro, I already got the shirt to go with that thing. That shit crazy. Sorry for cutting. All right, now we got a special design on the insole, which I'm trying to take out right now. So for everybody that's asking me if these for sale, nope, this is my sneaker. I'm keeping this in the vault. Anything Kobe, I am keeping. It is not for resale. All right, so we got Kobe Bryant, LA. Let y'all see that. Kobe Bryant, LA, and it has 5 stars sitting along the bottom with the city. Now, those 5 stars indicate the years Kobe won his 5 championships. So we got 2000, 2001, 2002, then 2009, and 2010. So my boy won 5 of them things. Bruh, 5-time champ. He's supposed to have about 6 or 7. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. My boy's supposed to have 6 or 7 rings, man. But that's a different conversation for a different day, man. But all right, man, here we have the Kobe 5-time champion. Hey, y'all know how I do it, man. I'll give y'all some quick B-roll. Now, I probably want to do it on foot. I don't want to put my foot in these just yet. I want to put my foot in them during a special occasion. And bruh, I just hope y'all enjoy the B-roll, and we're going to hop back in front of the camera, baby. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Now, there have been rumblings about Nike should have made more pairs, but I'm glad Nike made them limited. Bruh, we gotta find a way to beat these bots and resellers. Like, I know a couple people hit me up saying they were happy that I hit because I am a true Kobe fan. Like I said, Kobe was my favorite player of all time. The only person I think that's better than him as a basketball player is Michael Jordan. But anybody else, like, bruh, Kobe from top to bottom, like as far as basketball skill, that's my favorite player of all time. That's who I enjoy watching throughout the beginning and the end of his career. RIP to my boy Kobe Bryant, and RIP to Gigi and the others who lost their lives back in January, man. It's still sad. I've just started back watching Kobe stuff, but it doesn't feel real, man. It does not feel the same at all, man. It feels like my boy's still here. But being that I hit on these, hey, man, that boy looked out for me. That boy looked out for me, man. I don't care what nobody say, man, for real. But anyway, let me know if you guys hit on these or the big stages or the undefeated pack. I know the other ones come out Saturday, so I'll definitely be trying for those as well. I know a couple people took L's. I think it was me and Chaotic. Me and Chaotic might be the only two people that I know personally that hit on these, man. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. The Kobe V Protro, 5-time champ. Hey, man, I'm glad I got these things. Appreciate that, Bean. I appreciate that, my boy. But hey, man, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace. And with all this beef going on, put some chicken grease on it. Mamba out.